Welcome. Today is lecture 3 and our topic is prompt versus instruction versus context. What's the difference? If you have ever typed something into ChatGPT and thought, why didn't it understand me? You are not alone. It's usually not the AI's fault. It's often because we mixed up a prompt, an instruction, or forgot to give context. Today, we will break these three concepts down and show you how to use them together for better results. Let's look at the difference between the three building blocks of any good prompt. First is prompt, the full message you give the AI. It's the complete input that includes instructions, context, formatting, tone, examples, everything. Think of it like your entire request. Second is instruction. This is the action you want the AI to take. Example, summarize this text, or write a poem, or translate this into French. It usually starts with a verb. And thirdly, context. This is the background information the AI needs to make your instruction work properly. It can include target audience, style or tone, formatting requirements, source material, prior conversation. The more relevant the context, the better the result. Let's say you are ordering a custom birthday cake. The instruction is bake a chocolate cake. The context is it's for a 6-year-old who loves unicorns and is allergic to nuts. The prompt is the full message you send the baker. Now, that message can look like, "Hi, can you bake a chocolate cake for my 6-year-old daughter's birthday? She loves unicorns and can't have nuts. Make it colorful and fun." See the difference? If you just say, "bake a cake," the result is random. But the full prompt gives both instruction plus context. And that's where the magic happens. Let's compare two prompts. Prompt A, write a summary of this article. And then a prompt B with instruction plus context. That can be, summarize this article in 3 bullet points using simple language for a 10-year-old. Avoid complex words and focus only on the main idea. What do you think? Which one will give you something you can actually use? The second one, because you gave clear instruction and context. Test it yourself in ChatGPT or CLAUDE. Go to your LLM of choice and try. For example, give them a prompt. Write an article about climate change. Now, give them a detailed prompt. Write a 100-word article about climate change, focusing on how it affects farmers in rural areas. Use simple language a teenager can understand. Now ask yourself, which article felt more focused? Which one matched your intent better? What changed when you added context? So, the formula is prompt is equal to instruction plus context. The more clear your instruction and the more relevant your context, the more powerful and useful your AI output becomes. Next time you don't get what you want, don't blame the model. Check if your prompt was missing one of these key ingredients. See you in the next lesson.